Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum. I am SHAHRIN.
My name is Muhammad FAHMI bin Muhammad Sulaiman.
Hi, my name is IZATUL binti MALIK.
My name is NURUL binti AZIZAN.
Introduction. Malaysia is one of the most well-known tourist countries with various attractions. There are many types of hotel service offered in Malaysia. Malaysia hotel is increasingly being customer-centric and embracing customer-driven initiatives that seek to understand, attract, retain, and build intimate long-term relationships with profitable customers. Customers feel appreciation when they realize that the hotel often contains complaint or suggestion with a valuable for them to improve their experience and satisfaction. Problem statement. First, rating from customers is important where we want to find out what is the final rating for hotels in Malaysia. Second, this study wants to find out whether the hotel in Malaysia receive a good or bad feedback.
We have set 4 objectives in the project. First, to find out whether the hotel in Malaysia receive a good or bad feedback as a whole. Second, to identify the customer satisfaction influences the customer loyalty. Third, to find out what is the final rating for Malaysia hotel. And the last one is to help the hotel management to understand specific improvement opportunities to improve customer satisfaction. Next is data sources. We have collected the data from readytotrip.com, from Lexus Hibiscus Portison, Holiday Villa Beach Resort Spa Langkawi and Casa del Rio Melaka, and not to forget data from Twitter. In this project, we use 3 methods which are KNN, second naive bias, and third decision tree. The first method is K nearest neighbor or KNN. KNN is an algorithm on a training set. It is a simple algorithm that stores all available cases and classifies new cases by majority vote of its K neighbors. The second method is naive bias. It is a high bias, low variance classifier and it can be a good model even with a small data set. It is typically used in cases involving text categorization, including spam detection, sentiment analysis, and recommender systems. And the last method is decision tree. Decision tree is a tree-like collection of nodes intended to create a decision on values affiliation to a class or an estimate of a numerical target value. Decision tree also is a simple, specific, and flexible method to be applied in the rapid mining process.
Web scraping. We scrape all the data using software Python 3 from Jupyter Notebook in Anaconda Navigator. After run all the coding, the reviews from the website that we scrape will generate into multiple Excel files. Then we combine all the Excel files into a single Excel file and the coding are shown in the slide.
Okay, now I will show how I will scrape the website from readytotrip.com. And first, I'd like to scrap this Lexus Hibiscus Portison reviews. So I just right click it and click on inspect, and then it will go to the reviews site. And to make sure it goes, I just click arrow here and click on the review. It will show the reviews here. And the class is in common content. Okay. So in the Jupyter, I will run here first and run the website. It may take a few seconds, and then I set the soap. To find all the reviews, I will make it as pagesoap.all div class common content since in here the comment is inside the div class common content. So then I will click shift enter. So there are all the reviews here. So in here, it will give the output. The first review is beautiful place, food service, mining stuff. And I will set all of these reviews to become A. So that it's easy for us to record it again without write all of this. Instead of writing all of these words, we can replace it as A. Then to make sure it will give you the output. So I want to try to take out the first review here, beautiful place, good service, smiling star. So I start with 0.p.getText. This p will switch off, and you must start with 0. GetText, it will get you the only text. So I select shift enter. Beautiful place and friendly stuff. Beautiful place and friendly stuff. If you want to take out the beautiful place, good service, smiling stuff, you can change it to 1 because it's the second the second review, so hit shift enter. Beautiful place, good service, smiling stuff. Okay, so I'll change back to 0 and I'll change it to customer review, underscore review equal this heading, and I will again shift enter, and it means that it set this to become this, so that it's easy for you to recall it again. And after that, I would like to run all of the reviews. So I just customer review as I just want to print the customer review without any or of the PE and all of this stuff, and then shift enter, and that's it. All the reviews are here, and after this we need to export it to become file by using file name equal the name of file that you want to name, so CSV because you want to convert it to Excel file, and x equal open bracket file name w encoding UTF-8. For x in A, that's review equal x dot p. Let's get text for customer review, F1, customer review, and F-close. Okay, and that's it. The output will be the same like before, but with this coding, you will get that your file of ready to treat is here. I'm sorry, ready to treat is here. When you download it for you, and can open it. That's it. Beautiful place and friendly stuff. Beautiful place.
Next, we proceed to data cleaning. After web scraping process, we convert the information into Excel document. Some information contains too much bad words when customer complaining about the service quality, and that is double or even triple question mark and exclamation mark to express their feelings. Hence, conversion is needed to achieve a form that can help we get better result. So, we remove and convert it with a proper language and correct it into formal way.
Next, we will go to data analytic process. We will use RapidMiner to check the accuracy between training and testing dataset. First thing first, we should read the training dataset by using read Excel operator, and set role are used to set the label for polarity attribute. Next, we change the data type from nominal to text because the accuracy only can read in text data type only. We also detect a missing value in polarity attribute, so we decide to use replace missing value operator to solve the missing value problem. We add process document from data operator used as a filter for all the reviews and classify them. This process also create a bank of words. Then we click on process document from data operator to set the tokenist, stemming, stop words, and transform operator. This process will analyze the text and to remove some text so that more focus can be given to words which define the meaning of the text. Then we add cross-validation operator. Cross-validation operator are used to generate accuracy for the training dataset. Then click on cross-validation operator to set up the three model will be tested for the training or process. We use three different methods to see the accuracy of training process. The method that we use are KNN, naive bias, and decision tree. The picture show all the three methods we test for training dataset. Table below show the result of accuracy for three methods we use. For KNN, the accuracy is 64.63%. For naive bias, 75.67%, and decision tree, 62.33%. And from the result for accuracy, we detect the naive bias have the good value and highest among three models. Here is the full process for training dataset. Since naive bias have the good values and highest among three methods, so we will use in testing process. In testing process, we use the same process with training. We change the dataset for testing. The dataset we retrieve from website by using scraping technique. The first step until fifth step are repeated from training to apply in testing process. Apply model operator was connected with cross-validation from training, which set naive bias method as the algorithm. Performance operator was added to see the accuracy between training and testing to check if the results are higher than 55%. We found that the accuracy of testing only 40%. Since the accuracy for testing is only 40%, which means less than 65%, it proves that the training and testing dataset are not too much related. We can conclude that hotel in Malaysia receive a bad feedback as a whole since the accuracy only achieved 40%. Other than that, the accuracy for testing was proof the customer satisfaction just at par. The result of this study may help the hotel management to improve the service to fulfill the customer satisfaction. And for this slide, we show you the full process for training and testing dataset.